I'm going to go across to a member of the Pranab Mukherjee family. Sharmishta Mukherjee now joins us live. Thank you very much, Sharmishta, as always, for speaking to CNN News 18. When the Prime Minister's office called you and invited you, and you were told that a memorial would be built up in memory of your Baba, what was your first thought? What is it that you felt at that point of time?
Of course, I felt extremely happy. I felt uh, real gratitude towards the Prime Minister. But to be very honest, the first I received a letter from the Urban Development Ministry on 1st January, and that was the official letter. And then I requested for an appointment with Honorable Prime Minister, and then I got the appointment yesterday, and I went and met him and expressed my gratitude and thanks. And one thing, Pallavi, I was most touched about. My father always used to say that state honors, which also includes state memorial, it can't ever be demanded or asked for. That was his thought. I mean, he's always said it should be offered. So, as a family, we never made any kind of demand, or we never wrote to PMO for creation of his memorial. So it was a decision, it was an initiative taken by the government of India under the leadership of Shri Narendra Modi ji. Modi ji thought about it himself. So that is something I find it immensely touching. Immensely, and I'm really, as in my tweet also, I expressed my gratitude. So when I went to meet him yesterday, and then I was told that I can now announce it, because between 1st to 7th I didn't even declare it to my family. I didn't even tell anybody to my family, because my father always believed in protocol, and when he received his Bharat Ratna, he didn't even tell me. I came to know about it from a journalist, and then when I charged him that why he didn't tell me, he said, no, that is the protocol, you have to wait for the official announcement. So when I was only given a go ahead by PMO to announce it, I did that.
Okay, Sharmishta, now I'm waiting an official reaction to come in from the Congress, but there are responses coming in from the party. And I'm not very surprised by the response, but they are saying that he was an RSS agent. He went to the RSS headquarters to Nagpur, and that's the reason the BJP and the Prime Minister has awarded him by giving the memorial, and it's a political point. Your response to that?
I think Congress should have, or definitely could have, come out with something better. Firstly, in that thing, the question goes to them, that if Pranab Mukherjee was an RSS agent, why did he was allowed to be a stalwart leader of Congress for 45 years? Our Congress High Command, starting from Indira Gandhi to Sonia Gandhi ji, are such fools that in 45 years they could not make out that Pranab Mukherjee is an RSS agent. Secondly, by their definition, of course, my father went to RSS headquarters in his post-presidential years. He was alive then. My father passed away 4 years back. So if this memorial is linked to his RSS visit, which, why would the government wait for 4 years? So it's something very, wrapped up about their argument, about their logic. And to be very honest, as a grand old party, I thought that they could have come out with something better. Like, why say such stupid things? That, because he went to RSS, in that case, why not? Why? In that case, why not declare a memorial for him immediately after his passing away? So the answer for this, yesterday,
going to come to this question later.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah, so the answer for this is plain and simple, and which was extremely gracious of Prime Minister Modi, who told me yesterday that, I should have done it before. I should have... so maybe, Doctor, when this whole issue about the memorial of Dr. Manmohan Singh ji came up, and so maybe I thought that is the time the thought triggered in in Prime Minister Modi's mind कि प्रणब दा के लिए भी ये करना चाहिए. और ये, one thing, Pallavi, I have seen this, there was a genuine bond between my father and Prime Minister.
Yes.
Something beyond politics. It was based on genuine respect. And also, the family never wrote a letter or never asked for a memorial. So a prime minister has got millions of things to do, millions of things to do. So so if it skipped his mind, there is no harm in that. So the moment he thought about it, he took the action, he took the initiative, and that is where we are. And people, if we are saying that he is doing politics, I mean, I would say that if this is politics, then politics should be done in such a gracious, graceful manner. I mean, so this is the way then politics should be done. And Congress, it's the saddest part of the grand old party. If that is the Congress's official reaction, it showed the sorry state of affairs within Congress, that instead of welcoming a memorial for not only one of their most stalwart leaders for 45 years, but also President of India, uh, instead of welcoming it, if they are giving this kind of very strange argument, they are also insulting the institution of the President of India. Don't they have any respect for anybody? Forget about individuals. Don't they have any respect for any institutions?
Do you think the Congress party, Sharmisha, do you think the Congress should have thought for a memorial for him? They didn't think of a Bharat Ratna for him. They didn't think of a memorial for him. And they're making a hue and cry about Dr. Manmohan Singh's memorial. Do you think the Congress should have given a memorial and a Bharat Ratna to your father?
Congress did not. To be fair to Congress, Congress did bestow on him Padma Vibhushan when he was alive. But Congress did not even give a Bharat Ratna to Dr. Manmohan Singh. And from my father's diary, I came to know 30. There is an entry in his diary which says that he thought of giving Bharat Ratna to Dr. Manmohan Singh due to his stellar achievements, and he talked to the then cabinet secretary and directed him to talk to Pulak Chatterjee, a very senior bureaucrat who was close to Sonia Gandhi ji. So he asked the cabinet secretary to talk to Pulak Chatterjee to ascertain Sonia Gandhi ji's views on this, on conferring Bharat Ratna to Dr. Manmohan Singh. But there was only one entry, and after that, there was no further reference. So to be very honest, I do not know what transpired, why this was not taken up any further. I don't have any knowledge of it. Perhaps Congress or the Gandhis will be able to answer this. Whether Pulak Chatterjee did talk to Sonia Gandhi ji, what was Sonia Gandhi ji's response, that I am not aware of. But yes, this much I know, that Pranab Mukherjee wanted to confer Bharat Ratna to Dr. Manmohan Singh, and but somehow that did not happen.
Okay, I'm going to let you go, but one quick last question, a quick reply. Did your father ever be regretful of the fact that he went to the RSS headquarters? Did he not understand why the Congress was making an issue about it? Anything he said to you ever?
Of course, that time I was also in Congress, and I myself was very angry with him for going to RSS, and I was continuously badgering him, continuously, fighting with him. So he kept, as you know, my father, he kept a stoic silence, did not say anything. Only one day he got very irritated with me, and he said that, that time there was this logic that, he was giving legitimacy to RSS. So he said, who am I to give legitimacy to RSS? It is the people of India who has given legitimacy to RSS by choosing an RSS pracharak with a huge mandate. And, if Congress, or if you choose to ignore that fact, you are doing it at your own peril. And of course, at that time, I was very angry with my father, and I also tweeted against him. But later on, I believed that my father believed in dialogue. He believed that dialogue across political spectrum, across different ideological, different ideologies, is the main strength and main pillar of democracy. So and that is also the used to be the strength, the ideology of Congress. So, and from RSS platform, he used the RSS platform.
All right, we seem to have lost on that dead link, but we just heard what Sharmishta Mukherjee had to say exclusively to CNN News 18 in her first response after the Prime Minister and the central government has announced a memorial for her late father, the former President of India, Pranab Mukherjee.